What should your school's science enrichment experiences be like? Reliable? Mad Science has been around nearly as long as the space shuttle and DNA testing. Entertaining? Our science programs fizz and crackle with live demos and hands-on experiments. Children won't forget the magic and sparkle that light up our programs. Complementary? Our mad research and development team dig deep into your school's science program. Then, we come up with topics that not only keep kids on track with the curriculum, but are also risk-assessed and age-appropriate. Inclusive. Mad Science is for everyone, captivating kids during class workshops and in exciting assemblies that involve the whole school. Engaging. We train our instructors to enthrall, engage, and entertain both kids and grown-up kids in crowds or small groups. Inspiring. Inquiry-based learning on our in-class field trips help kids interact with each other, think about outcomes, and celebrate their successes. We bring the kit, we clear up the mess, and we leave your teachers with all the supporting materials they need. Above all, the Mad Science experience is educational, teaching scientific principles in partnership with your teachers and helping kids grow and learn. Want to find out more? Get in touch today.